morning students. Next, question number 6 of exercise 8.2. The question is convert given percent to decimal fractions and after that also to fractions in the simplest form. So you can see here we have to give the value in percentage. You have to convert this percentage into decimal fractions and also to fractions in the simplest form. So first is 25%. So 25% is written as 25 over 100 and this convert it into 1 by 4, which is the simplest form of this 25 over 100. 25 ones are 25 and 25 fours are 100. So the answer is 1 over 4. Next percentage is 150%. So it is written as 150 over 100. So 1 0 cancel here. 15 over 10. And 15 over 10 comes in multiple of 5. So 5 3 is 15 and 5 2 is 10. So the answer is 3 over 2. C part is 20%. So 20% written as 20 over 100. So you should cancel 1 0. Now 2 ones are 2 and 2 5s are 10. So the answer is 1 over 5. The last is 5%. So 5% written as 5 over 100. Now 5 ones are 5 and 5 20s are 100. So the fraction is 1 over 20. So this is your question number 6. Next, this is your question number 7. The question is, in a city, 30% are females and 40% are males, and the remaining are what? Children. So, what percent are children? So, in a total population, 30% are given females and the 40% are number of males. So, we have to find the percentage for children. So, total percentage of females and males. We will first add the percentage of males and females. So there are 30% females and 40% males. So total how much? 30 plus 40 is 70%. And the total number of percentage of children is 100 minus 70 because there is total 100% for total population. So you have to subtract this 70% from 100. So 100 minus 70 is 30%. It means 30% are percent for children. Next, question number 8. Out of 15,000 voters in a constituency, 60% voted. There are total number of people are 15,000 voters, in which 60% people voted. Find the percentage of voters who did not vote. After that, can you now find how many actually did not vote? You will also find the number of voters who did not vote. So let us find first percentage of voters who did not vote. So total number of voters are 15,000. Percentage of the voters who voted. So how many voted? 60%. Alright. So percentage of the voters who did not vote, you have to subtract 60 from 100 because there is total 100%. So 100 minus 60 is 40%. It means 40% of voters did not vote. Now we will find the actual number of voters who did not vote. Actual number. So 40% of people, or you can say voters, did not vote. So 40% of what? Total. And the total is how many? 15,000 voters. It means we have to find the 40% of 15,000. So 40% is written as 40 over 100. Of means multiply, and the total number of voters are 15,000. So you should cancel 2 0 from the numerator and denominator. Now 150 into 40, it is 6,000. It means 6,000 voter did not vote. Alright. And how many voted? You should subtract 15,000 minus 6,000. It is 9,000. 9,000 voters voted and 6,000 did not vote. So this is your question number 7 and question number 8. Next, this is your question number 9. The question is, Meena saved rupees 400 from her salary. If this is 10% of her salary, it means 10% what? The money which Meena saved. That is 400. 10% of her salary. What is her salary? What is the money? Actual salary कितनी होगी Meena. So the first let Meena's salary be rupees taken as X. It means X is her actual salary. And 10% of total salary is how much? 400. 400 is that amount which Meena saved. And 10% is also given the money that Meena saved. Alright. So 10% of x is equal to 400. So 10% of x is 10 by 100 into x is equal to 400, or x is equal to 400 multiplied with 100 divided by 10. Now you should cancel 1 0. So 400 times 4,000. It means 4,000 rupees is Meena actual salary, out of which she saved rupee 400. 10th question is, a local cricket team played 20 matches in one season. It means total matches played by cricket team is 20. It won 25% of them, and that team won 25% of the total matches. How many matches did they win? How many matches? It means you have to find the number of matches winning. Number of matches winning by that local cricket team. So the number of matches played by the cricket team is how much? 20. It means they total played 20 matches, out of which 25% are matches they won. So percentage of the matches won by them is 25% of total matches played. So total matches are 20. So 25% written as 25 over 100 multiplied with total matches, that is 20. Now you should cancel 1 0 here. 25 2s are 50 divided by 10. Now 50 by 10 is written as how much? 5. So it means number of matches won by them is 5. Alright. It means they won only 5 matches and loses how many matches? 15 matches. 20 minus 5 is 15. So this is your question number 9 and question number 10. Thank you.